Hi, online friends. I am sending you love today and support, and to whatever level that you and I are connected, whether it's your first time watching a video here or you've known me for years. I believe that you are taking steps forward to become the best version of yourself. I had to come on today to create a video love letter for you because I am starting a program next week, Journey to Boundaryville, so setting better boundaries. And this journey, I will be your guide. It's going to be fun and whimsical and wonderful. And I wanted to come on and encourage you that if you feel that it's time for an upgrade of your boundaries, if you feel that you need more support in your life, that there are things draining you, things that you need to say no to, things that you need to step away from, and yet you keep gearing yourself up for it, but you're not actually taking the leap to say no, to end the relationship, to walk away, to leave work on time, whatever the things are. I want to be your guide and support and cheering you on, celebrating you as you explore, how do I do this? Because from my lifetime of setting boundaries, sometimes it's messy. Sometimes I make a mistake. But even when I go in and I make a mistake, typically later I think, well, I did it. It might have not been graceful and glorious and beautiful, but I set that boundary. Sometimes the people leave and we hope that they won't. Sometimes we hope that they will leave and they don't. In both instances, I want to be supportive of you as you are desiring to have a life that better honors you and your values and your worth and your needs. And I think that you can have that, and that, similar to many things in life, setting healthy boundaries and holding boundaries is an evolving process. So the Journey to Boundaryville is a 3-week experience, largely delivered over email. You'll get some videos. If you're open to me texting you, I'll text you support. There will be a live call. I've made it super affordable because it's a beta version. Details and link below. And it is something that I hope that you choose to experience. I hope that you choose to give this gift to yourself. And I want to be encouraging you and listening to you, reflecting back, and helping you along the way. So have a most wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon, and I hope to see you within Boundaryville with me. Bye.